Hi friends, welcome to my channel again, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more videos like this. Hi friends, welcome to my channel again, and today I want to tell you about about Sir Isaac Newton. तो लेट्स बिगिन हिंदी। तो पहली बार मेरे चैनल पर आए हैं तो मेरे चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। दोस्तों आज मैं बताऊंगा न्यूटन के बारे में और उनके कोर्स के बारे में। न्यूटन क्या क्या करते थे और क्या क्या उनका लाइफ स्टोरी है, क्या क्या हिस्ट्री है, मैं आपको बताऊंगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। न्यूटन was born on December 25 in 1642 in the most difficult conditions. Shortly after his father's death, birth occurred prematurely and the child was unusually frail and small, did not accept that he will survive. Small farm in which Newton was born, about 100 years, remained the property of Newton, and only after the death of Isaac Newton in 1732 passed into the possession of another family. Okay. थोड़ा उनके बारे में भी बता देता हूँ क्या क्या वो उनके बारे में। उसके बाद उनके कोर्स के जाऊँगा, उसके लाइफ के स्टोरी के लाइफ के बारे में, लाइफ की बायोग्राफी के बारे में उनका बताऊँगा। तो सर आइजैक न्यूटन वाज बोर्न इन 1643, डाइड इन 1727. He was a physicist, astronomer, mathematician and a philosopher. He is considered as one of the greatest figures in the history of science. He was born the year Galileo died. He was greatly influenced by the Galileo's work. Galileo जब जिस साल मर गए थे उसी साल उनका जन्म हुआ था, सर आइजैक न्यूटन का। तो वो बहुत ही प्रभावित हुए थे गैलीलियो के काम से। As a student of Cambridge University in 1661, he became interested in physics, mathematics, optics and astronomy. A plague caused the university to shut down, so he spent 2 years at Hulsford, where he began to think about gravity and spent time pondering on mathematics and optics. After returning to Cambridge, he developed ideas on the reflecting telescope from the mid 1660s, conducted many experiments on the composition of light. He discovered that that white light is made up of the same system of colors that are in the rainbow and established the behavior of lights. He published his finding in a book called Optics. Newton also made contribution in mathematics, especially in problems related to analytical geometry. He discovered general methods of resolving problems of curvature as stated in his method of fluxions and inverse method of fluxions. Newton used the term fluxion, Latin meaning flow. फ्लक्शन लाटिन मीनिंग क्या है? फ्लो है। बिकॉज दिस इज थॉट of a quantity flowing from one magnitude to another. Newton is known for his theory on gravitation. According to a popular story, Newton discovered gravity when he saw an apple falling from a tree. It was this accident that made Newton realize that it was a smaller force that governed the motion of the moon around the earth. He calculated the force needed to hold the moon in its orbit. Comparing this force with the force pulling an object to the ground, he wrote the Principia in 3 stages, where he described gravitation as the most important force controlling the motion of celestial bodies. His laws of motion and universal gravitation predicted very accurately the motion of stars and the planets around the sun. देन मूविंग टू द सर आइजैक न्यूटन के कोट्स के बारे में जाते हैं। टू माई सेल्फ, सर आइजैक न्यूटन ने कहा, क्या कोट्स है उनका और क्या क्या कहा है उन्होंने, तो मैं यहाँ पर दिखाता हूँ। टू माई सेल्फ आई एम ओनली ए चाइल्ड प्लेइंग ऑन द बीच while vast oceans of truth lie undiscovered। मैं तो एक छोटा बच्चा हूँ, बीच में खेल रहा हूँ। while vast oceans of truth lie undiscovered। हाँ हाँ। while vast oceans of truth lie undiscovered। बहुत सारे चीज़ हैं जो ओशियन में जो जो इतनी सच्चाई है वो अनडिस्कवर्ड है, डिस्कवर नहीं किया गया है। Then next quote is, a man may imagine things that are false, but he can only understand things that are true। Truth is ever to be found in the simplicity and not in the multiplicity and confusion of things। If others would think as hard as I did, then they would get similar results। Live your life as an exclamation rather than an explanation। Next, I can calculate the motion of heavenly bodies, but not the madness of people। For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's third law. Sorry. I can calculate the motion of the. This is computed. If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. I was like a boy. This is completed. We built too many walls and not enough bridges. No great discovery was ever made without a bold guess। I don't know what I may appear to the world, but to myself I seem to have been only like a boy playing on the seashore and dis- diverting myself in now, then finding a smoother pebble for a prettier shell than ordinary, whilst the greatest ocean of truth lay all undiscovered before me। ये थे साराजन के कोड्स। एंड मेरे चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। ऐसे ही मैं ऐसे बड़े बड़े लोगों के बारे में बताता रहूँगा, उनके कोड्स के बारे में बताता रहूँगा और उनके लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में बताता रहूँगा, उनके बायोग्राफी में बारे में बताता रहूँगा। तो मेरे चैनल पर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।